We'll guide you through how to add a new role at the same company on LinkedIn. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on LinkedIn. So perhaps you've gone and had a promotion, or perhaps you've just gone and changed role and you want to go and have this updated on LinkedIn and you want to have it listed under the same company. We're going to guide you through this step by step on how it can be done and make sure that it goes and looks professional. Of course, when you go and change role, you want to make sure that's reflected on LinkedIn so that people go and look at your profile, understand what you actually do. So to go and get started with this, you want to come to the top right of LinkedIn and click on Me. Press View Profile. Now at the top here, you can go and see you'll be here and you want to go and scroll down and you'll come to Experience. And you're going to go and see, currently I'm a video editor at GuideRealm. Let's go and say I've been promoted to a content creator. So what we can do here is come to the top right of Experience and press on the pen pencil icon. Come to the right of our role, press the edit icon again, which is the pen pencil, and you want to scroll down. Unselect, I'm currently working in this role, and where it says end date, you can then go and choose when you stop working there. So let's go and say it was in April, so we currently are, and then we'll choose the year. You can then go and press save like so. Now what you can do is you go and press the plus in the top right here, and you want to press add role. And now you can go and enter in your new title. So I'm going to be a content creator now. Select that. Choose the employment type. I leave that blank. Now, the company or organization is really important. You need to go and make sure you enter in the same one. So if it's listed here, go and type it in and find it and select it. If it isn't listed, don't worry, just click off of it. Just make sure it's exactly the same as the last role, exactly. But mine's listed, so I can just select that. Then where it says I'm currently working in this role, I am now, so I'll leave that there. And I got the promotion in April, so we can go and set that like so. You can then choose the location, enter the location type if you want, and the description. Choose your profile headline as well. I'll leave that as it is. And then what you can do is then go and press save in the bottom right. Now we've gone and added it, and you're going to go and see we've now got the same company with the new role. You can see I ended here and I started here and I'm now present with that new role. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more guides like this. Have a great day. I'll catch you again soon.